all doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you are getting this error in the ChatGPT app. As you can see guys in my screen, look like you offline reconnect to send messages. So don't worry, in this video I will show you simple and effective way to fix this issue on both Android and iPhone. Okay, so let's get started one by one. So first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem gets solved. So sometimes weak signal cause this offline issue. To check your internet connection, close the ChatGPT app, open any web browser or YouTube and browse something. Let's check how your internet is working. If the internet is working fine on another app, only you are facing the issue in the ChatGPT app, at that time you can try the next method. Open the quick settings, and here you need to enable the flight mode or airplane mode. Okay, and wait 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it off. This refreshes your network and can fix temporary connection issues. Okay, and then open the ChatGPT app, try to browse, and it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Tap and hold on the ChatGPT app and open the app info. Okay, like this, and then go to battery, and here you need to unrestrict the battery saver mode on for this app. Okay, after doing this guys, close this and restart your phone one time. After restarting, open the Google Play Store. If you're using the iPhone, open the App Store, and if the app update is available of the ChatGPT, just simply go ahead, update the app. After updating the app, once again tap and hold on ChatGPT, go to app info, go to storage, clear the caches, and then clear the data. So if you're clearing the app data, so it will delete, reset all settings from the ChatGPT app. Okay, if the problem is not solving, at that time you need to try this method. So one more basic thing is this guys, you need to check your internet connection. You need to check your date and time setting as well. If the date and time setting is incorrect, you need to correct this. After this guys, last one time you need to restart your phone. After restarting, it will fix your problem. So these were the best working solution to fix the ChatGPT app offline problem. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech problem solving videos. See you in the next one. Thank you.